How to easily add odometer in DaVinci Resolve. Go to the Fusion page. From Effects panel, expand Templates, expand Fusion, and click on Style Text. Drag an odometer into composition and make sure that the Media Out node is created automatically. If not, select Brightness and Contrast node, press Shift plus space, search for Media Out, and add it. Now we have this nice odometer. To change the properties, hold down mouse middle button and drag. Then select the text and change its style to your liking. To get a different look, select Rectangle 15 and check the Invert checkbox. Also, you can uncheck Invert and Solid to remove the white color. Now go back to the Edit page, and you can adjust the duration of it. Also, if you want more speed for the animation, right-click on the composition and choose New Compound Clip. Right-click again and choose Change Clip Speed. Increase its speed and click Change.